So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a navigation bar instead of this articles. So in the index, I'm going to remove this articles, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to add here UL, and then inside this UL, I'm going to add LIs. So the first LI is going to have a tag, and then inside that a tag, I'm going to say home page, home, and then I'm going to copy this and paste it here, and then I'm going to say about us. About us. Now let me save and refresh. If I refresh, as you can see, we have home and we have about us, but we need to work on the design. So first of all, here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the design of these buttons, of these two buttons, or navigation bar actually. So I'm going to head on over to the style, and then I'm going to add the following design. First of all, I'm going to start by adding here the design. So I'm going to start by using the UL. I'm going to access the UL, and then I'm going to add the following design. First of all, I'm going to change the list here, the list style type. So the list style type is going to be none. And for the margin, I'm going to remove the margins. I'm going to say margin 0. And for the padding is going to also be 0. And the overflow is going to be hidden. And finally, the background color, I'm going to change the background color. Background. So the background color, let's use the black color. For the LI, I'm going to change the float to be float left, so that they get displayed next to one another. For the LIA, for the anchor tags, I'm going to display them using the block property, the display property of block, so that they will be displayed as a block. Each single A tag will be displayed as a block. For the color here, I'm going to say color. So the color is going to be white. And the text align is going to be center. Text align center. For the text decoration is going to be none. Text decoration none. And the padding, I'm going to add some padding here. I'm going to say padding. So for the padding, I'm going to add 12px and 14px. Finally, I'm going to save and refresh. Let me now save and refresh. And as you can see, I have this navigation bar. We just need to add some space here. I'm going to say margin bottom. So the margin bottom is going to be 5px. Let me now refresh one more time. And as you can see, it looks amazing. Now we have a navigation bar that looks just amazing. And if you want to know more about web design, you can join my course about web design, where I teach how to create awesome pages and awesome designs. And you will just master how you create that. Because this is a Django course, this is not a web design course. I'm not going to be focusing and wasting all the time on the design.